you are watching Ladakh News Bulletin and I am Sakshi Sahani. Now let's get on to the new and big headlines for today. Big news from Ladakh's Kargil as Sonam Wangchuk has reached Kargil and lots of people welcome him in the region. Moving on to the next headline. At Sonam Wangchuk, the hero of Ladakh's arrival in Kargil, people gathered in large amounts. Women and children welcomed him with the emotion of happiness in their hearts. Kargil Democratic Alliance welcomed Sonam Wangchuk with pomp and show, organizing a felicitation cum welcome program for the Wangchuk. People of Ladakh continue to demand for sixth schedule inclusion along with the statehood for Ladakh in the welcoming program for Sonam Wangchuk. While addressing the people of Kargil, Sonam Wangchuk said that his goal was always humanity rather than dividing each other in the name of race, religion or regions, and we should also follow the same. Moving on to the next headline where we are gonna talk about the preparations for Hajj 2026. Now, the preparations for Hajj 2026 pilgrims have begun in Leh, and in the preparations, the administration along with the people of the Hajj committee jointly organized a special training program. On April 4th, an orientation and training program for the pilgrims of Hajj was held in the ACD meeting hall in Leh. A total of 67 pilgrims participated in the program where they were told about how will they are gonna go to the Hajj 2026. And now that's it for today. We will see you in another video. Till then, keep watching the Earth News, and this is how we're gonna connect with you.
आप सबको भी लगता होगा जब आप एसपी स्मार्ट स्कूल के रिजल्ट्स देखते होंगे कि कैसे एसपी स्मार्ट स्कूल हर साल पोजीशंस, डिस्टिंक्शंस और कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम के रिजल्ट्स में टॉपर प्रोड्यूस करने की लेगेसी को मेंटेन रखता है। अगर हम बात करें कुछ नंबर्स की तो लास्ट ईयर हमारे सीनियर्स ने 679 डिस्टिंक्शंस along with that 90% एंड अबव स्कोर करा है 180 स्टूडेंट्स ने, 95% स्कोर करा है 65 स्टूडेंट्स ने। और रही बात पोजीशंस की तो 18 पोजीशंस आर सिक्योर्ड फ्रॉम आवर स्कूल। अब आप मुझे पूछेंगे कि ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है कि हर साल किसी स्कूल का एजुकेशन परफॉर्मेंस में ग्राफ बढ़ता ही चला जाए। तो लेट मी टेल यू, द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज कंप्लीशन ऑफ सिलेबस। सबसे पहले इन टाइम सिलेबस कंप्लीशन होता है, उसके बाद एवरीडे बेसिस पर बैक टू बैक हमारे टेस्ट होते हैं, मंथली टेस्ट। इसी बीच हमारी नीट और जेई की प्रिपरेशन साइमल्टेनियसली चलती रहती है। बस फिर प्रैक्टिस एंड प्रैक्टिस, इतनी प्रैक्टिस हो जाती है कि एग्जाम्स तक जाते जाते हमें एग्जाम नहीं एक कैजुअल टेस्ट लगता है। एसपी स्मार्ट स्कूल व्हेन टॉक्स अबाउट ब्रिंगिंग बैक एजुकेशन टू स्कूल, दे मीन इट।
Transforming education through life skills and lifestyle learning.
Beyond books, excellence in sports, NCC and co-curricular activities.
At Kingstar, every facility speaks of quality and commitment. From professional cricket grounds to advanced indoor setups, Kingstar provides everything a young sportsperson needs to perform at the highest level. With commerce and humanities, we lay the foundation of careers in finance, business, and the social and governance sector, building leaders in finance and business, shaping leaders in society and governance. Highest positions in boards and competitive. NEET Sure for medical students, GE Sure for non-medical students, and direct programs for commerce and arts.
Turning medical dreams into NEET success. 100 plus SP Smartians on the path to becoming doctors.
Admissions are open for classes 11 and 12 in medical, non-medical, arts and commerce streams. SP Smart School. Visit our campuses to register.